नमस्कार, पळोवया प्रायम खबरो। मोपा विमानतळाक 5 बिडर इत्सूक आरएफपीचेर सरकारान घेतली बिडरांची बसका। भारतीय विमानतळ प्राधिकरणय मोपा विमानतळ बांदूंक इत्सूक। जुलय म्हणल्यार सगळे तडी। जिल्लो पंचायतीची मतमेजणी फक्त एक दीस। 18 मार्चाक मतदान, 20 मार्चाक मतमेजणी। 7,80,000 मतदार, 193 उमेदवारांचो थारायतले फुडार। 1290 केंद्रांचेर मतदान। गोंयांत आनीक 8 जणांक स्वायन फ्लू, 26 दुबावित सॅम्पल्स धाडली दिल्ली। 8 जणांचो रिपोर्ट पॉझिटिव्ह, 8 जणांचेर हॉस्पिटलांनी उपचार। भलायकी हुस्क्या भायर। आणि वास्को सड्यार लोकांक ना वाली। जेटी वेल्या कोळशाच्या प्रदूषणान लोकांक नाका शेवट। घरदारां कोळशान माकली, लोकांक दुयेंसां। आमदार जाग माग करिना, सरकाराक उलो। खबरो विस्तारान। मोपा विमानतळ बांदपाक 5 बिडर मुखार सरल्यात। गोंय सरकाराची मोपा आरएफपीचेर सोमारा परवरे सचिवालयांत बिडरां बरोबर बसका जाली। भारतीय विमानतळ प्राधिकरणानय विमानतळ बांदपाची इत्सा दाखयल्या। डिसेंबरासावन मोपाच्या आरएफपीचेर निर्णय घेवंक तिसरे फावट मुजत वाडयल्ली। 12तल्या 5 बिडरांनी आरएफपी घालो। सोमारा तंत्रीक बीड उगडली। म्हयने उपरांत आरएफपीची प्रक्रिया करून 3 म्हयन्यांनी जुलय म्हणल्यार अर्थीक बीड घेवन मोपा उबारपी कंपनी थारूं येता।
Yeah, today was the last date for submission of RFP application. We have received 5 technical bids as on date. That is the last date. And the 5 companies who have participated are GMR, GVK, Oluptus Developers Limited, SL Infra and Airport Authority of India. It's only a technical bid we have received. All the technical bids will be evaluated now on their eligibility criteria. Within a month's time we will declare who are the technically qualified bidders. Then we will issue them the request for proposal and concession agreement. Thereafter the financial bids will come. That will take another 3 months after submission of the issue of RFP and concession. The first stage is a technical bid that we have completed today. We have received 5.
Earlier it was 15 something.
No, earlier people have many people have come and shown their interest. Now it's 5 means they are not individually, there are consortium in that. It will be not 5, more than 5.
So Mopa Airport will not allow to the share it on that basis?
No, that is what. It will be included in the RFP. Now by the time we get some kind of decision from the Government of India, a meeting is already held in this regard. Okay.
जिल्लो पंचायतीची मतमेजणी आता फक्त एकाच दिसा जातली। 18 मार्चाक मतदान जाले उपरांत 20 मार्चाक मतमेजणी करून निकाल लायतले म्हणून राज्य वेंचणूक आयुक्त मोदस्सिरान मिडियाक सांगले। झेडपीच्या 50 मतदारसंघांनी 7,80,000 मतदार, 1290 मतदान केंद्रांचेर 193 उमेदवारांचो फुडार थारायतले। मतदान मतपत्रिकांनी जातले।
There are less than 400 electors in a polling station. 75, that is 44 and 31 in north and south. Between 400 and 800, this is more in between, that is 907. And more than 800, there are 227. The maximum number is 989 voters, which is in North Goa, that is 18 St. Lawrence, polling station number 11. And in South Goa, it is 24 Sankwali, police station number 25, 1269 voters. This is the highest in North and South. The lowest is 110 and 103 voters. That is, one is in Honda and one is in Trivana.
In South Goa, some innovation is being tried.
We are doing this time webcasting. Webcasting is live telecasting, the live display of the activities carrying out the polling stations. There are 2,112 police personnel have been deployed. In addition to that, there are 40 police personnel for mobile squads, 45 personnel for guarding the strong room, 24 police personnel for flying squads.
Goa Vikas Party has come as independent. Therefore, they have not been given any
special ID.
symbol as per rules.
गोंयांक आनी 8 जाणांक स्वायन फ्लू जाला. वैजकी टेस्टींत ही गजाल स्पश्ट जाली. स्वायन फ्लू जाल्ल्याचो दुबाव आशिल्ली 26 सॅम्पल्स दिल्लीक धाडिल्ली. तातूंतले फक्त 8 लोकांक स्वायन फ्लू जाल्ल्याचें स्पश्ट जालां. ह्या 8 जाणांचेर हॉस्पिटलांनी उपचार चालू आसात. तांच्या जिवाक कसलोच भंय ना म्हूण भलायकी अधिकाऱ्यान स्पश्ट केलें.
गोंयांतल्या आनीक 8 लोकांक स्वायन फ्लू जाला. स्वायन फ्लू जाल्ल्या ह्या दुयेंतींचेर गोंयांतल्या वेगवेगळ्या हॉस्पिटलांनी उपचार चालू आसात. तांची भलायकी सुदारल्या आनी तांकां कसलीच भिरांत ना अशें भलायकी खात्याचें म्हणणें आसा. स्वायन फ्लू जाल्ल्याचो दुबाव आशिल्ल्या 26 लोकांचे सॅम्पल्स दिल्लीक धाडिल्ले. तातूंतल्या 8 लोकांक स्वायन फ्लू जाला असो रिपोर्ट दिल्लीच्यान आयला.
Till today, we have sent around 95 throat swabs of suspected patients, and out of which we have got 24 positive. Today, we have got reports of around 26 suspects, and out of which 8 have come positive. Right now, there are no patients who are critically ill, and most of the patients are already discharged. Okay, they have completed their treatment, and most of them are asymptomatic now.
स्वायन फ्लू जाल्ल्या एका मनशाक ह्या पयलीं गोंयांत मरण आयिल्लें. ते भायर स्वायन फ्लू जाल्ल्या हेर 15 लोकांचेर उपचार करून तांकां घरा धाडल्यात. फाटल्या कांय दिसांनी गोंयांत स्वायन फ्लूचो दुबाव आशिल्ले नवे दुयेंती हॉस्पिटलांनी येवंक नात. प्रुडंटा खातीर रिपोर्टर महेश गाडी आनी व्हिडिओ जर्नलिस्ट नवाज शेख.
घेऊ एक विराम.